This is the Renaissance train coming into Montreal. There's a Renaissance F40PH-2 and matching coaches that are now about 20 years old. Maybe more, 25 years old, I guess. These are likely to be replaced by the new train sets first, since they're in such bad shape. Ah, nice. ALP45DP and a bunch of coaches heading to the South Shore. This is the EXO train heading to Sainte Hilaire. The train, it negotiates a little curve over there and goes into Griffentown further. Here, it's got a green. It looks like the green is actually for another track. As you can see, from the stairway to nowhere. Plenty of new construction here in Montreal. Brand new buildings.